Good morning. Ayan, nandito tayo sa Rochelle Model. So, meron tayong another few Rochelle Model unit. So, share ko na lang yung mga ibang picture or inquire na lang kayo. But this one is a semi-gated kasi konti na lang yung dadagdagan nyo na lang yung gate nyo, though may fence na. So, you have your carport, garage. So, covered siya rito. Ayan. So, let's see. So, I think kasya naman kung dalawa parallel. Ayan. So, ayan. Okay, then you can have your garden here or sitting area. Yan, so coffee. And come on, let's go inside. Oops. So this is your living area. So meron siyang sliding door palabas. And so pwedeng hindi nyo isagad yung parking nyo. Meron kayong sitting area dito. Yan. Okay, then it could be here, your dining table and kitchen. Ayan. Kasi nandito yung dirty kitchen natin. Ayan. See? So, marble, tiles lang siya. So you have your laundry basket area here. Ayan. So may space pa tayo. Ayan. Ang ganda ng likod nyo. Sobrang presko. Ayan. So, diba? Ayan. So pwede pa tayo dirty kitchen. Naman, ang yung 2 bedrooms. Ayan. So, this is your first toilet and bath. So, this is your master bedroom. So, malaki siya. And ito lang yung, medyo maliit lang yung bintana nyo kasi nga nasa perimeter na kayo. And you have your own toilet and bath. Ayan. So, ayan. So, let's see the other bedroom. But you have your already have. And here's your another bedroom. Ayan. So, I think it's good for starting family or konti lang kayo sa family or working from home. Kailangan nyo lang other room. Sobrang ganda nito. And bungalow, so hindi nyo kailangan maghagdan. So, if you like this video, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you and God bless.